Yes, the something new big start news. Saudi wife, Saudi wife, Raul Baldi, Badawi, Badawi was sentenced to 1,000 lashes because of his blog that says free Saudi liberals, free Saudi liberals. Wants more rights for his people. Wants more rights for his people. I guess his health is getting worse and worse after the first 50 lashes. He couldn't take no more. It's been suspended 2 times already because the guy's, the guy's gonna die. Nobody can survive 1,000 lashes. Nobody can survive 1,000 lashes. This is ridiculous, beating up people because they want rights, because they want to free the liberal people of Saudi Arabia. This is ridiculous. This is absolutely, totally maniacal. This is what happens in these nations. This is what happens in these nations. It's the sadness of human life that this guy wrote about but now he has to go through this. 50,000 lashes because he put in his blogger and said free free Saudi liberals. Said free Saudi liberals. He was running the blogger site, said free Saudi liberals. So they sent him to 1,000 lashes last year. He barely took 50. It's gonna kill him. It's gonna kill him. This is what they want. This is what people want when they want rights. This is what people get when they want rights. The shit beat out. This is something new big starting loose. The sickness of human life. Thank you for watching.